If your Porsche Cayman is suffering with this annoying sound, this most likely means that there's a piece of debris, a leaf, a rock, or whatever, stuck in the little fan that sits inside of that crevice. But there's a quick solution that prevents this problem from happening again. Introducing the wire mesh. That's right, this wire mesh, if installed behind this trim over here, will prevent any rocks or debris from ever hitting those fans again. All you have to do is pry the cover out, slide the mesh in like so, and simply pop the cover back in place. But wait, what if the debris also gets stuck in the holes of your front bumper? Introducing the front bumper wire mesh. All you have to do is slide it behind and zip tie it to a little opening behind this center support. It opens up like this. You slide your zip ties here and you zip tie it from the bottom. Clip the ends of these zip ties and gently tuck them in, and you now have a way to protect those precious heat exchangers. To get these amazing protective grills, please click the link down in the description of this video. But if you call now, we'll double your order. That's right, you will get both the left side as well as the right side. But you must order now.